hindi po ako nagpapaapi. I learned that way past before pa. Because dati, most of the time kasi kapag na-abuse tayo, hindi natin napapansin na it's too much na. Minsan hindi natin kaya humingi ng tulong. Minsan hindi natin alam na kailangan na pala natin humingi ng tulong. Na-abuse na pala tayo. So I learned that before I would always act upon my emotions. Magiging agresibo ako, sisigaw ako, mga away ako ng tao. And I feel like that's wrong. You should reflect muna before acting upon your emotions. Dapat i-check mo muna din sarili mo, baka may mali, baka tama yung sinasabi niya. At papakinggan mo lang yung mga taong you trust, di ba? And then after that, you choose. Should you get even? Or should you just heal by yourself? Ayun.
Thank you, and congratulations.
Thank you.